Hello everyone! Welcome to Color Our World of Art! Let's make an umbrella with little raindrops inside. Let's bring out our materials. First, trace 5 circles out of yellow paper and another 5 circles out of blue paper using a pencil and a circle template. Then cut them out using scissors. Make sure to position your fingers away from the scissors blades when holding the paper so you don't cut your fingers. Now that you've cut out all the circles, let's fold them into quadrant units. To do so, fold the circle into half, then fold that semicircle into half again to form a quadrant. Repeat for all the other circles. Next, put glue between the 2 quadrant flaps of each quadrant unit such that each quadrant unit cannot be unfolded and now has 2 pockets. After gluing all of them, glue all the units sides together, straight edges together. Alternate unit colors, which means you should paste one yellow unit next to a blue unit, then a yellow unit next to the blue unit, and so on. Put the glue in the middle of each side so the part near the straight edge is still unglued. When you paste the last unit, put glue on the sides of the last 2 units before pasting the blue unit on one yellow unit and then stretching it to paste its other side on the other yellow unit. Open all the pockets to spread the units out into a circle, forming the umbrella head. Stick a chenille stick into the middle of the umbrella and bend it to form a hook for the umbrella. Then take a piece of string and fold it to make 8 pieces of string about 3 cm each. Then cut 8 raindrops about 0.5 cm each from blue paper. Glue each raindrop then to a piece of string. Put a drop of glue on the end of the string, then press the raindrop on. It is best to use liquid glue therefore for better, safer gluing. Lastly, attach all the raindrops to the bottom of the umbrella by pasting the ends of the strings in the gaps between the units. And now it's raining inside! Although I don't really know why, but thank you for watching Color Our World of Art. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you soon.